Everyone, today I am going to show you the installation for Honda City mirror folding and a window closer. Along with that, we will show you installation in two parts, one for mirror folding and one for window closer. In this we have to go peel off two wires in fact we have to peel off. One wire we have to connect directly to the battery. If you don't want to cut that two wires, we do have a plug and play connector for that. You can buy it separately at our website only, or you can choose the option of plug and play mirror folder. So you will get the plug and play mirror folder. So I'll show you how it works. So this is the door pad of the car. We have opened the door pad. So this is the female socket. This is the male socket. So the male socket you have to put in the original connector. So this male socket goes in the original connector. Sorry, the female socket goes in the original connector. The male socket goes into the power window frame. This is the power window frame. This will go in this. Now there is only one wire which you have to connect. This is the gray wire. No, this third connector has to be connected to the ECU. This is the KMH ECU. So this will connect to the ECU. And now this gray wire has to be connected into the lock switch. Here we have a connector here. We do have a plug and play connector as well, and we can do it by peeling also. We have to connect the gray wire and brown wire with the help of a scotch lock. This scotch lock is not provided with the kit. You have to purchase it separately. So we have connected this wire, and this is the installation is complete, and you can lock the door and you can see all the windows going up. This is the second one. That's the third one. Do share our video. It takes a lot of effort and time to make the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Whatever products we have displayed you are of the best of the quality, and you can purchase it at our website www.carplus.in. So do like us, do share our video, and keep subscribed to my channel.